Hey guys, me and Snoop's out here exploring the woods. He's got his nose all dirtied up, so he's clearly been chasing a chipmunk or something. Man, look at me all red in the face. That's what happens when you walk up a mountainside. But it's a really nice day out here, and I would just advise anybody that might get down sometimes and deal with the seasonal depression like I do, to get out here and enjoy nature. I mean, you look at that. Get out and enjoy some of that and see if you don't feel better. Love you guys. See ya.